Hello everyone and welcome to Casino M8trix Card Academy. I'm Julie, your instructor and dealer for the day. Today we're going to be reviewing how to play and how to win at Baccarat Gold 1.0. So the objective in Baccarat is to get closest to the point value of 9. There are two major ways to bet in this game, either the player or banker position. Each position will receive 2 cards. Whichever position reaches closest to 9 wins. And in this game, 10s, jacks, queens, and kings are all valued at 0. So for example, if you were to get a 7 and a 10, although it totals 17, this hand is valued at 7. And you can use this hit chart to help you determine the total of the player and banker hand. You're either going to bet on the banker position or the player. The dealer will deliver the cards. Whichever player reaches closest to 9 wins. Banker wins, let's pay out banker. For more information on the bonuses that you can win in Baccarat, please watch video 2. Good luck and may the cards fall in your favor.